Theorem of angle between tangent and secant. If an angle has its vertex on the circle, its one side touches the circle and the other side intersects the circle in one more point, then the measure of the angle is half the measure of intercepted arc. Now here, in this figure, vertex of angle ABC lies on a circle with center M. Side BC of angle ABC touches the circle at point B and side AB intersects the circle at point A. Arc ADB is intercepted by angle ABC. See here the complete figure again. Here line BC is a tangent and here line AB intersects the circle. So here the measure of this angle ABC is equal to half measure of arc ADB. Then measure angle ABC equal to half measure arc ADB. Angle ABC may be acute angle, right angle or obtuse angle. Theorem of internal division of chords. Given P is the center of a circle, chord AB and chord CD intersect at point E. See in the figure, AB and CD, these two chords intersect with each other in point E. Here P is the center of a circle. We have to prove that AE into EB equal to CE into ED. For this we have to take the construction, draw seg AC and seg BD. Here we have to draw seg AC and seg BD. In triangle AEC and triangle DEB, angle AEC congruent angle DEB. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Angle CAE congruent angle BDE, because these two angles are inscribed in the same arc. See here, these two are the vertically opposite angles, and angle CAE and angle BDE, these two angles are inscribed in the same arc. Therefore, we have to say that these two angles are also congruent. Therefore, by AA test of similarity, triangle AEC similar triangle DEB, that is AE upon DE equal to CE upon BE, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Therefore, AE into EB equal to CE into ED. Theorem of external division of chords. If seconds containing chords AB and CD of a circle intersect outside the circle in point E, then AE into EB equal to CE into ED. Now see here, the secant containing the chords AB and CD intersect with each other in point E. We have to take the construction here also. Draw seg AD and seg BC. We have to draw seg AD and seg BC. Proof of this: in triangle AED and triangle CEB, angle AED congruent angle CEB, these two angles are common at point E. Angle DAE congruent angle BCE, angles inscribed in the same arc. Therefore, triangle AED similar triangle CEB, reason AA test of similarity. Therefore, AE upon C equal to DE upon B, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Therefore, AE into EB equal to CE into ED. Tangent second segments theorem. Line ET is a tangent touches the circle at point T, and secant through point E intersects the circle at point A and B. Then EA into EB equal to ET square. See here, point E is in the exterior of a circle. Here line ET is a tangent to the circle at point T, and here the secant from point E intersects the circle in point A and B. Then we have to say that ET square equal to EA into EB.